We got a helper in the kitchen today. His name is Chambly. And today we're gonna make chicken neck soup. It's gonna be cooked for about 4 to 5 hours with a bunch of seasonings like basil, thyme, onions, garlic. Amazing. He's excited. Are you excited? Are you excited for chicken neck? Chicken neck? You want chicken? Ah! Even Chambly wants some. It's gonna be great. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. I got 2 pounds of chicken neck and from the local grocery store. There's about 40 or 50 chicken necks. They're gonna give the soup a lot of flavor. Make sure to keep the fat. We'll skim the soup at the end if there is too much fat. All of our chicken necks are gonna go in the soup. I have a large Dutch oven, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill it with about 9 cups of water. Let that go. And then we're gonna throw in the chicken necks with cold water with a bunch of seasonings that I'm gonna prepare right now. While the pot is filling up with water, we're going to be chopping up the herbs we're gonna use to season the soup. I'm gonna use 1 whole white onion. And I'm just going to quarter it. And I'm gonna use 1 clove of garlic, and I just half the clove. And I throw it in with the skin and everything, which gives the soup a lot of flavor. At the end, we'll take it all out. One of the simplest recipes, we're gonna turn on the pot. We're gonna put in all the chicken necks in cold water, followed by our quartered onion, all of our garlic with the skin and everything. We're gonna cut off all the stems of the cilantro and throw it in. Since I don't have fresh thyme, I'm going to use dry thyme. I'm going to use about a teaspoon, since dry thyme is a lot stronger than fresh. Salt. About half a tablespoon. And fresh basil. Wait for it to come to a boil. Then we're going to reduce it to a simmer for about 3 to 4 hours. At the end, we'll take out all the onions, the garlic skins. We'll adjust the salt, add in some lime juice, some pasta. It's going to be great. Stay tuned and I'll show you how we finish it off. Now that it's come to a boil, we're going to reduce the heat to low. And we're going to let it simmer for about 2 to 3 hours with the lid slightly covered so it doesn't reduce too much. And we'll get back to it in about 2 hours to check on it, and then another 2 hours. It's been 4 hours now, so what we're going to do is we're going to pull out everything from the soup and put it inside a bowl and a strainer. I know this spoon's a little massive, but it definitely does the job fast, so we're going to use it. We're going to pull out all the chicken necks. Woo! I'm going to eventually put them back in, but for now, we're going to put them all here within they're so nice and tender. Good. They're too hot to eat. If not, I would try them. Now what we're going to do is that there's a layer of fat over the soup. We're just going to take it out just a little bit, maybe half, and leave the rest for flavor. Now that I'm done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze in half a lime juice. And I'm going to adjust it for salt. And what we're going to do is we're going to add back in the chicken neck. So tender. The only problem with the chicken necks is that you get little bones, and they're so good. This one I'll save for me. All the other ones, we're gonna throw in. I'm not going to put in, but see, like fats like this, I'll keep them out. So I'm just picking out the good parts. After we put in all the chicken necks, we're going to throw away the fat. And now what we can do is that we can plate it with rice or pasta and garnish it with some herbs. But right now, I'm just going to have it how it is. I don't know, later on tonight, when everyone comes, I'm going to garnish it and serve it. I hope you enjoyed my chicken neck soup video. For more recipes like this one, subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned every Tuesday for new recipes, and follow my food blog at foodiestd.com. See you next week!